Welcome, everyone, to the first ISA virtual conference by Zoom technology. I call on all of us to make the best of this privilege and opportunity. All depends really on how you look at events as far as happiness and fulfillment are concerned. Many thanks to the keynote speaker, Professor Joy Ezilo, for keeping the date with us despite the extreme personal challenge she faced in recent months. My gratitude also goes to Professor Chibli Igwe, whose skills in web and media design at each instance transformed wishes into horses, and we were able to fly. Over 31 sessions are slated for presentation in the various virtual rooms he created for this conference. Wandi Igbo, Igbo World, Igbo Condition. That is the principal theme of our 18th annual conference. The Igbo World sessions will explore Igbo nature and grapple with the definition of Igbo personhood, including beliefs, worldviews, customs, and interests. The Igbo Condition participants will seek to identify issues and problems on individual and collective levels. The big question of this conference is to find the Igbo ability to collectivize when needed, for the proverbial self must not overshadow group interests and survival. Finally, go forth and give it your all for a most fulfilling conference. When the community is written, we will assess how effectively we have defined the Igbo personhood, the Igbo world, and the Igbo condition. Thank you very much.